In this video, I'll be showing you on how to restore from a snapshot using a vSphere client. From your vSphere client, I've already logged in. So what we need to do is to expand our server. Make sure that the server that you're using is currently powered off so that it won't interrupt to any of the activities within that particular virtual machine. So go to Snapshot, Snapshot Manager, and then from here, you will have the options on where you want to restore back to the point where you, for example, install the server, update the server, or initial setup of the server. So what we need to do is to go to the point where we wanted to restore back, right? Highlight it and then click the button, go to. So it's now telling you that the current state of the virtual machine will be lost, and if you wanted to revert back to that state where you have that activated or somewhat running on that particular state before you revert back to the older state, you have to make sure that the snapshot is actually created. So if we go back to the older version, then yeah, the previous one will be lost. So I'll just proceed with that. And if you can see, right, earlier the option about the you are here is actually down at the bottom here. Now it goes and tell me that I'm actually here now inside this initial setup of the Windows server. So that's about it. Nothing else on the vSphere to do. You can launch or power on your virtual machine and it automatically gonna be going to the snapshot that you have selected. Thanks for watching this video.